Hey everyone, my name is Michael Assis, and I'm a PhD student at the BGC. And this is a Middle Eastern sundial compass from the 19th century. This is an object representative of cycles of cross-cultural exchanges continuously unfolding throughout history. The overall design and decoration is inspired by Islamic sundial compasses intended not only for telling time, but also for finding the direction of Mecca. However, this sundial compass features the names of the zodiac signs engraved on the front and back in Hebrew. On the front, we can also find a circle with the figures of the zodiac. Both the sundial and the zodiac are mentioned in the Bible. However, the relationship between Judaism and astrology has always been ambivalent or contentious. The introduction of the zodiac and its iconography to Jewish culture is a product of syncretic exchanges between Jews and nearby cultures in the Middle East over 2,000 years ago, and devices combining mathematics, geometry, and astronomy for navigation and time-telling also represent a continuous exchange of knowledge between Western and Eastern cultures.